Dear students, Vianney's JEE NEET Private believes in nurturing young talent and giving them the wings to fly. And through our BASE scholarship exam, we aim to do just that. BASE is Vianney's aptitude and scholarship exam through which capable students can stand a chance at winning up to 75% scholarship as well as cash prizes up to ₹20 lakhs. The best part about BASE is that students can opt for an online exam or an offline exam, whichever is more convenient for them. Through this video, we will take you through the test guidelines to ensure a smooth process on your final test day. To register yourself for BASE, log into our website, which is www.vianneysjeneetprivate.com. You would be required to add your mobile number and your date of birth. Soon after that, you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile phone, which you can enter in the required field and register yourself for the BASE scholarship exam. In your student details column, you can check the sample papers and download your hall ticket. At the very bottom of the page, you will find a list of instructions. Do read them carefully before you begin the test. Since we are already registered and have our hall ticket with us, we can now proceed with our test. Before we begin the test, make sure that you have a stable internet connection and your laptop or any other device that you are using for BASE is sufficiently charged. You must be early for the test and familiarize yourself with the test pattern through our sample papers beforehand. Finally, moving on to the test, you will see your user details at the top of the page. You will see that the paper is divided into different sections and you are free to answer the questions in any order you like. You can see the marking scheme for each question right at the top, and each question will have 4 options. You are required to select one of them. Once you answer a question, it will be automatically saved. You can move on to the next question by clicking on the next button at the bottom. In case you are unsure about any answer or you wish to make changes, you can always clear it. There are 3 color codes that you need to familiarize yourself with before you appear for the BASE exam. Green color refers to the questions that you have attempted. Grey color refers to the questions that you have seen but not attempted yet. And white ones are the questions that you have neither seen or attempted. Throughout the exam, you will receive multiple time reminders to make sure that you finish on time. Once you finish all the questions, you can save and submit them with the button at the bottom. In case the time runs out while you're solving the paper, the saved answers will be automatically submitted. Now let us guide you through the process of obtaining your results. Once you go to the main registration page, you will see the option Go to Result. Please click on it for a detailed overview. You can see your attempted score percentage with some useful statistics right beside it. Once you scroll down, you can also see a subject-wise breakdown of marks, and this is helpful for students as they can work on it according to their subject strengths and weaknesses. Students can also download these results and keep it with themselves to track their progress. Do remember to carry your results and hall ticket when you meet our academic counselors. Lastly, we wish you all the very best and a successful future ahead with Vianney's JEE NEET Private.